So this is a short video of how we spent some time between Christmas and New Year's. It's a family tradition for us to bake cookies. Miles enjoys it. I hate to say it, I enjoy it too. And of course, Grammy enjoys it. Oh, we got so many ingredients for these cookies today. Oh, even the birds. The birds. Did you take a bite out of one already? You cookie monster. We're making cookies today. What else do we do here? Your grandpa, you're going to make me do all the hard work. I got to do the rolling of the dough here. Oh my God. You got to break the dough into pieces.
Watch
break the dough into pieces, Miles. Break it. Look, you're eating a cookie before you're even done. Just making cookies is hard work, kids. You want to be in a cookie business. Worse than restoring motorcycles.
Watch.
Looks like Bondo, doesn't it? You guys are ahead of me here with the cookie dough, huh?
No, we don't have flour in ours yet.
Are you still eating cookies, Miles? Okay, Grammy, you're rolling out the dough. How much fun is rolling out the dough here?
It's hard.
Rolling, rolling, rolling. How many cookies did you eat already?
3. I ate all 3.
All of them. Oh my God. Keep rolling, baby. Making cookies is tough work. It's like sand and Bondo.
Let's see how thin it is.
All right.
It's a good thing the state of Jersey legalized cookies this year. How much are they paying you for this, Miles? Are you getting top dollar?
Come here, let's cut
Not
it.
really, huh?
Use up as much as
You try to get them as close together as
outside?
possible.
outside. Okay, so
Close together as possible.
I'll do it. Wait.
press down.
All right. Grammy runs an efficient production line. Press it down and
Keep
wiggle
going.
it back and forth. There you go. Okay, now pick the edge of the dough up.
No, leave the dough there till you.
All right.
Leave more.
You got to get them as close together as you can.
Push more. Good. Now go to the next one.
I hope Joe in Myrtle Beach is making cookies right now too, Karen. Keep them busy,
His
baby.
wife's making cookies. Look at
Yeah.
this, the teddy bear.
Dallas and Nancy
How
making
about
cookies
this?
too.
How about the one?
I'll do it.
To the right side?
So how long are these going to sit in the freezer now?
10 minutes to 30 minutes.
10 minutes to 30 minutes.
Well, let me put the oven on.
First batch going in the oven. Oh, it's nice and warm being here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, go ahead. Don't break them. There you go.
One.
Good. You got it. You're Bobby the Baker already.
Okay.
Wow. Some are in the oven already. This is pretty good. I can already taste them.
And here-
These have the
oh,
colored sugar.
You know, it's too thick.
They're too thick?
They're too thick.
Hey, no free samples.
They're all too thick.
Okay, they're out of the oven. Don't touch it. It's hot. They're out of the oven. Ooh. Now, what are these? The sprinkle ones?
These are sprinkle ones.
Oh, my God.
Here, hold it.
We all love you, Grammy. The best part is they start coming out of the oven, and I think, well, just to celebrate, we'll just have an extra cup of coffee, as we always do. This is a lot more fun than restoring motorcycles. These are the 3 choices. You have the colored icing, and you have sprinkles and powdered sugar, and the cookies are starting to come out of the oven. Oh, you got even more
Look at all
choices.
the stuff I have.
Oh my God, how many of these you got?
I think I have 6.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
What?
I think that's enough.
More free samples.
Sugar.
Well, you going all along the edge? Okay, you got a little pattern here, some of the things you can do. Okay. Remember, this is a job you get paid by the hour and the cookie at the same time.
Should we put some
Mostly the
sugar on
cookie.
that?
Let's remember, Miles, it's all in the eye of the beholder,
Okay.
in the eye of the
Both those
grandparents. Just go nice and easy when you make a design. Well, they're starting to come out of the oven pretty regularly now. Got a real production line going here. Miles really had a great day today. Unbelievable day. Yeah, as they come out of the oven, we're trying to keep up. We have like a production line going. Well, we certainly had a lot of fun today making cookies and decorating them, baking them, the whole thing. Grammy stepped right up to the plate here. This was a very special day, and I hope you enjoy sharing it with us. And before I end the video, as I always do on my videos, I'd like to thank the healthcare workers for keeping us all safe in this terrible time. So did everybody have fun baking today? Was this a special day? All right. Very, very good. And now the good part. We get to eat them.
Cookies. We never did that before.
Now we get to eat them. Yay.
Nancy, thanks so much for this nice apron. I wore it today for the first time when I made cookies with Miles and Wendy.
Now, we had a wonderful holiday. Miles got a puppy. I can't tell you how happy our family has been. We are all truly blessed. And I hope your family's blessed too. And thank you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching.